Today, I'm looking for an osprey, a fish-eating raptor known for its impressive looks and even more impressive fishing skills. Lucky for me, I'm joining Aiken Audubon's Birds and Brews as they bird the hot spots in Pueblo. We started our day at the city park with a group of wood ducks doing wood duck stuff. The park was crawling with double-crested cormorants. Look at this guy's ambitious choice of nesting material. We also spotted mallards, American widgeon, and a single cackling goose. A kettle of turkey vultures capped off our search of the park. We moved to our next hotspot. Arriving at Valco Ponds, we spotted blue-winged teals, redheads, American coots, and more wood ducks. We tried to find the local Carolina wren, but only managed to see eastern phoebes and a Buick's wren. It was then that I got a good look at our bird of the day. Little did I know that the osprey sightings had only just begun. We continued our search, spotting several red tails and a Cooper's hawk, more eastern phoebes, pied-billed grebes, rough-winged swallows, and a bonus black phoebe. The group arrived at the gravel pit, spotting great blue herons, gadwall, shovelers, more ospreys, and a very distant Wilson's phalarope. Bald eagles circled above, and ospreys sat in nearly every tree. The convoy continued on to Pueblo Reservoir with a red-necked grebe sighting, a bird that's rather far from its northern range. We finished things off with a trip to the quail house and got a glimpse at the scaled quail. With 21 individual osprey sightings, I consider that a successful bird of the day.